Now 70% of the time, the high or low of the week is usually formed on Tuesday. I'm not saying that it doesn't form on Wednesday. Most times it also forms on Wednesday.
Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about bias. Most of the times not knowing what the bias is what most traders face today, and not knowing what the bias is usually what gets us confused on whether we should click the buy or sell button. Well, in today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 ways in which you can get to know the daily bias. 1. What are the weekly and daily PDRAs? 2. Where are the stops? Is it on the buy side, on the sell side? Because the markets will always move up or down for 2 factors. 1, to fill and rebalance an imbalance. Secondly, to clear out stops. That is the only factor that will make the markets move. And thirdly, the day of the week and time of the day. So if you are new to this channel, you are welcomed, and I would really appreciate it if you click the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in as I explain these 3 ways to you.
Okay guys, from the first option I said is knowing where the weekly and daily PDRAs are. Here in this chart I've drawn out the weekly PDRA, which is this red rectangular box here. This is a fair value gap, and this too is a fair value gap. This another block. See the way price respected east here. This was where the fair value gap was formed. So yeah, it came for it. It passed through it. It didn't even get to 50% of it, which is a consequent encroachment. It didn't get to it. It came here just at the first quadrant here. It came here and sold off massively. Retraced up, it came back for this fair value gap, and price still respected it. It went up to it and started retracing back to this other fair value gap here. After filling this fair value gap, it came for this other block. The opening price of this other block here, that is for the PDRAs. Next is where the stops are. Now, before this market started retracing, it cleared out stops, then it started retracing. It cleared out the first stop here. Let me roll it out. It cleared out the first stop here. This was actually the first stop the market took. Cleared out this first stop. This was the next one. So the next option is where are the stops. It came for this sell stop. It took it, then it started retracing up. Mind you, this is a weekly time frame. You can use this when price comes for the stops. So it took out this stop, took this one, and started retracing back to this fair value gap. Now let's go to our daily time frame. Hope you guys still remembered those PDRA we got from our weekly time frame. This one, we got this one there. We also got this one there. So from our daily now, it came for it. Looking at our daily, price came for this fair value gap, just touched this and sold off massively. Now the next time it started retracing for this fair value gap, it took out stop. It took out stop here. It took out, this was actually the first place it took out stop. It took here, here, and here. Then it started retracing upwards to this fair value gap. This is a weekly fair value gap. It was created here. Price retraced here, touched it, filled it completely, came back for here, for this one, filled it and started retracing. Now as this market have sold off to fill this other fair value gap. It also came for this other block which we saw in our weekly time frame. So if I was to use this for my bias, which is tomorrow, this is a weekly order block. Price has respected it massively. There's also a stop here, also a sell stop here. Price just came here, created more stop, it's building stop. So when this, it should come back for the issue to take out the stop and fill this imbalance, because this imbalance which was created here hasn't been filled. Here there are still some spaces here. Market now, if I want to use this bias now, there's a daily fair value gap which price has filled. I would expect it to sell off. After selling off, what should it do? Take out this stop here which it created, then fill this imbalance here, then come for this other block and continue its move. Now next, the last option which I said was the day of the week and time of the day. Now 70% of the time, the high or low of the week is usually formed on Tuesday. I'm not saying that it doesn't form on Wednesday. Most times it also forms on Wednesday. So I'll be showing you, let me just show you some examples here. From here, this was Monday, this was Tuesday, the high was created. Wednesday sold off, Tuesday was, it was the same, Friday was kind of inside range. This was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Here it was Wednesday that the high was formed. Now the next one, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So here the high was actually formed on Monday. Here also, so if you check, most times 70% of the time from data I have, the high of the week is usually formed on Tuesday. With that said, thank you for watching this video. Do well to like the video and don't forget to subscribe.